Welcome to YouTube, where everyone can make a YouTube channel, and I have made one myself. Dirt Bike Chip. I mean, I'm only a rookie right now, so I'm not gonna have that much subscribers. But I mean, I need to try. That's why I'm making this. So I will play Animal Jam. Mainly, I'll play Animal Jam. Oh, but not in the summer because I just can't. Because I have to go to the cottage and I have a computer there. So, I won't be making any Animal Jam things in the summer. But it is the summer. I'm at my friend's house. So you don't get confused.
Hi.
And yeah, that's her.
I'm Harold the cat.
Subscribe to her.
Thank you.
And then also,
Hello.
So, we will do. Sometimes I'll do some animation, and what I do animations on, I am not but just so you know, what I do my animations on is Flipperclick. So you can go check that out, and it's very easy to do, and what else? And and goodbye. See you next time.